Mars, the red planet. For centuries we have gazed at it in the night sky, a bright reddish star, whispering tales of adventure. We dreamt of setting foot on its surface. Today, that dream is closer than ever. Imagine this, a mission to Mars, faster than ever before. We are going to send a spacecraft on an incredible journey. It will travel at blazing speeds, pushing the limits of technology. This is the story of that mission. The mission's name Hermes, after the swift messenger of the gods. Hermes will carry our hopes and dreams to Mars. It will search for answers to some of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Could there be life on other planets? Mars might hold the key to unlocking these secrets. Get ready for an incredible adventure. Hermes is not your typical spacecraft. It's built for speed. Shaped like a sleek arrowhead, it cuts through space with incredible velocity. Powerful engines roar, propelling it towards Mars faster than any spacecraft before. The journey to Mars is long. Usually it takes about 6 to 8 months, but Hermes is different. It will shorten the trip significantly using cutting-edge technology. This means less time in space for our astronauts, less exposure to radiation and less time away from home. Hermes is a marvel of engineering. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and our determination to explore the cosmos. The day of the launch arrives. Excitement fills the air as the countdown echoes. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Hermes roars into the sky, leaving Earth behind. Our astronauts feel the rumble deep within their chests as they are hurtled into space. Inside, the crew is busy. They monitor systems, run checks, and settle into their temporary home. They know the risks, but their spirits are high. They are pioneers, venturing into the unknown. Days turn into weeks. Hermes is a small world hurtling through the vast emptiness of space. The Earth shrinks behind, becoming a small blue marble. Ahead, Mars grows larger with each passing day. Life on board Hermes is not easy. Space is a harsh environment. The astronauts face many challenges. They live in cramped quarters, far from family and friends. They eat dehydrated food and miss the simple pleasures of life on Earth, like feeling the wind or smelling the rain. The lack of gravity affects their bodies. Muscles weaken, bones lose density. The astronauts exercise for hours each day to stay healthy. They combat the psychological toll of isolation with video calls to loved ones back home. But the biggest challenge is the constant threat of the unknown. Space is full of dangers, radiation bursts, micrometeoroids, and equipment malfunctions. The astronauts know this, yet they press on, driven by their mission and their courage. Section 5. Red Dust and Ancient Secrets Unraveling Martian Mysteries. Finally, after months of travel, Hermes reaches Mars. The spacecraft enters the Martian atmosphere, a fiery descent towards a new world. The landing is tense, but Hermes touches down safely on the surface. The astronauts step out onto Martian soil. They are the first humans to walk on this alien world. They plant the flag, a symbol of human achievement, on the red dust. The landscape is breathtaking. Vast plains, towering volcanoes, and canyons that dwarf anything on Earth. They begin their exploration. They collect rock samples, study the atmosphere, and search for signs of past or present life. They deploy rovers to explore further, covering more ground. Section 6. Signs of Life, the thrill of discovery. The astronauts make a stunning discovery. In a hidden cavern, they find evidence of ancient microbial life, fossils of tiny creatures that once thrived in Mars's watery past. This is a monumental discovery. It means life might have existed on another planet, even if it's just microscopic life. The discovery sends shockwaves back to Earth. People celebrate in the streets. The world is united in awe and wonder. The question is no longer are we alone, but what else is out there? The astronauts continue their research, driven by this incredible find. They study the Martian soil, searching for clues to understand this ancient life and its implications for life on Earth. Section 7. Homeward Bound, a bittersweet farewell. After weeks of intense exploration, it's time for the astronauts to return home. They leave behind a part of themselves on Mars, a sense of wonder and a thirst for discovery. They carry with them invaluable data and samples, pieces of another world that will fuel scientific research for decades to come. The journey back home seems quicker. The excitement of returning to Earth and reuniting with loved ones fills their hearts. But a part of them already yearns for the vastness of space, for the silence of the stars and the thrill of exploration. Section 8, Mars Beckons, a legacy for tomorrow. The Hermes mission marks a turning point in human history. It paves the way for future missions, for establishing a permanent base on Mars, and for further unraveling the mysteries of the Red Planet. The data and samples brought back by the astronauts revolutionize our understanding of Mars and the solar system. We learn more about its climate, its geology, and its potential to support life. We develop new technologies and gain invaluable experience for future space exploration. But the legacy of Hermes goes beyond scientific advancements. Section 9. A universe of possibilities. A messenger on the mysterious Red Planet. The Hermes mission sends a speeding messenger to the mysterious Red Planet, igniting curiosity and wonder. Children who watch the landing on TV now dream of becoming astronauts, scientists, and engineers. They are the future. They will be the ones to build upon the legacy of Hermes, to push the boundaries of human knowledge even further. They will be the ones to answer the big questions about Mars, its history, and its potential for life. The journey to Mars is just the beginning. Mars holds many secrets waiting to be discovered, and humanity, with its unquenchable thirst for knowledge and exploration, is ready to take on the challenge of Mars.